Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video we will have a look at the eafengrow brand knife. I don't know too much about that company. They don't have much information out there other than Instagram how it looks. So it's one of those wild brands from China, enthusiasts of course, people that like knives, and they have access to CNC machinery and else, and so they make some knives, more or less original designs. That's a different matter. So in this case we have a eafengrow brand CH knives, and the model name is eh3002 and then dash G10. It's a liner lock flipper knife. I did not find much information to that particular knife model either. I saw that used on eBay. It's quite likely one of those usual knives that got dropped by the airport by the security. So I got that for a little price, slightly used. There is also of course no box or packaging, paperwork or anything else to show. So if anybody from eafengrow see that, contact me a bit about more information about your company and all that. So as we test out another of your knives, we can give a bit more feedback. This one has a orange G10 handle, quite millet, and a stainless steel removable pocket clip. The blade is D2 and it has it's always almost 9 inches long when opened, so it's quite a big knife with a D2 blade, as we here see the regular 91mm Victorinox, in this case a Spartan. We see the size is quite bigger. That was the main reason why I got it. I like orange handles, and the blade is relatively big, D2. We see there the steel is marked on it. Also the part here has quite some milling there, so that is relatively nicely done as well. We have the typical pocket clip that is removable. You can put it on the other side, it's just one side. We have there the lanyard hole and some milling on the and texturing on the G10. That is not the usual flat peel off deal on the G10 there. That is like 3D millet. We may see that from that side. It has quite some angles to it and all that. So yeah, all in all, CNC machined really well. The D2 blade too, a full flat grind. It came relatively sharp out of the box, also as it arrived here. I don't know how much it got used before, but there are not that many scratches or else on the blade. So I did touch it up a bit. D2 is a good steel, and that lasts quite a while without resharpening. So there we see the logo from the maker and some more information as well. We have stainless steel liners, and they are cut out so that we have a lighter weight. We have here some jimping on it, on the blade. The all overall quality is really nice made. Also the orange spacer. The fit and finish, the function is really well. The liner lock there is well done too. We see how well it is adjusted there. Then as we close the knife, we see the top stands out as the flipper, and there we actually see the only damage on that knife, manufacturing flaw. We see here there is a little ding on the steel, on the D2 steel blade there. That looks like that was done by the manufacturing and not by use there. The finish and all looks really uniform. So that's the only flaw on this knife. It doesn't matter for a using knife at all, but that is there. Then we have, of course, a flipper action. We simply press down and the thing gonna open. Simple and easy to use. The flipper is not too big standing out, could be bigger, but that works. It's a rather slim knife, also not too thick and bulky, but of course it has quite a length to it. All in all, because of the rather long blade. We see the D10 goes out of the way relatively nicely there too, by the tang. The action is smooth. I think they have used washer with ball bearings in it. That is often the case by flipper knives. There we also see the cutout on the liner to save on weight. On the opposite side we have quite a bit too, as much as the liner lock allow. Now we see how it engages there. Nice springy action, doesn't go too far over by the lock and not too little either. So really nice milling there to push the liner out of the way. So all in all, really nice. The stop pin is in that channel there, in the blade, in that channel, in the liner there, and that works well too. I would not say that this knife is for absolute hard use, batoning and all that, because of that stop pin design, but for regular EDC and medium use, that's gonna last without any problem. For me, that's gonna be a knife that will go in a pack to supplement other equipment. It's just gonna get stored there, and as we need it, it's ready. Because the blade is D2, we need to oil it a bit, and after the test is completely done, it's gonna go in a kit, in a pack, in a backpack quite likely, and be ready as we need it. Because of the lanyard hole, you can also put a lanyard on it. Nice feature. The grip is pretty sturdy, but we see orange G10 doesn't need much to get a little bit dirty there. That is often easy washed off with a bit water and soap and a brush. Just saying, if you get something in orange or a brighter color instead of like a green or a black especially, that is how that is. That's gonna happen as you use it, and this one was already used and is for using. So that much about that eafengrow CH knives.